Are you ready to transform your raw data into a powerhouse business intelligence tool? Welcome to your ultimate blueprint to success. In this comprehensive masterclass, we are cracking the code on Power BI data modeling from the ground up. We will start with the rock-solid foundations of the star schema, supercharge your models using advanced DAX calculations, and craft a flawless, user-friendly experience with custom hierarchies. Plus, you will discover how to unlock natural language Q&A and secure your data using enterprise-grade dynamic security. Don't just scratch the surface. Stay tuned, watch the entire course, and master your data world today. Welcome to your data modeling blueprint. Think of a robust model as a warehouse designed like a star. At the center sits your fact table holding numeric metrics, surrounded by descriptive dimension tables that provide crucial context. When your raw data falls short, unpack your DAX toolkit to unlock custom tables, columns, measures, and security roles. Just remember the golden rule of data flow. To keep everything fast and efficient, always transform your data as far upstream as possible. When you need to expand your data model downstream using DAX, you have to choose between creating a calculated table or a calculated column. But be careful with calculated tables. They trigger a heavy VertiPaq compression penalty, consume too much memory, and remain completely static. Whenever possible, break your old Excel habits and push those structural transformations back upstream to Power Query. Save calculated columns for two specific jobs: when you need fields available as slicers, or when your business logic demands strict, line-by-line iteration to keep your final totals accurate. Building a functionally accurate data model is only half the battle. Now it's time to refine the user experience. Group related organizational tiers into logical hierarchies to give your report creators and consumers clear, seamless drill-down paths. Next, eliminate visual clutter and prevent user errors by hiding duplicate relationship keys and background helper fields inside your fact tables. Don't forget to inspect your default column behavior so that non-calculable numbers, like years or customer IDs, aren't automatically summed up. Categorize your geographic fields and web URLs to unlock map visuals and render clickable assets instead of raw text. Finally, optimize your model with clean data types and user-friendly names to completely power up natural language Q&A insights. Power BI's Q&A feature feels like magic, turning a typed or spoken question like total sales by city into an instant chart. But that magic requires groundwork. The Q&A engine works by scanning table relationships, reading your column names as words, and suggesting starting prompts. To optimize accuracy, you must master the 4 foundational steps of preparation. Start by enforcing precise data types to clarify timelines, normalize table structures by splitting compound data like addresses, apply explicit data categorization to tag locations, and establish unbroken relationships to connect your facts. For the ultimate natural language experience, use the Setup menu to add synonyms that map corporate jargon to your data fields. Data security in Power BI is a critical 2-step process. While access credentials get you connected to your database, row-level security controls exactly what your report viewers are allowed to see. For basic setups, you can create static roles using simple DAX filters. However, in large corporate environments, dynamic security is the gold standard. By leveraging the user principal name function, the model automatically reads a viewer's corporate email login to filter data tables through your relationships. Just remember to always validate your security using the View As feature before publishing, and consider object-level security if you need to lock down entire tables or columns. In this course, we mastered the complete life cycle of developing a robust data model. We started by building a solid star schema foundation, connecting central fact tables to descriptive dimension tables. Next, we expanded our structural toolkits with DAX calculated tables and columns, while honoring the foundational philosophy of transforming data as far upstream as possible. We then refined the overall user experience by structuring clear hierarchies, hiding background field clutter, and assigning precise geographic categories. To wrap up, we optimized our data models to unlock natural language Q&A queries and lock down data visibility using both static and dynamic row-level security.